Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. I'm here at My Pilates Studio and I want to talk to you about the double straight leg stretch. So this one is not technically in the Return to Life series, but it is done by a lot of traditional teachers and almost every Pilates instructor that there is, because it's so good and it really does teach you so many things. So I actually use this to even prep people for learning how to do headstands, because what you do with the legs is in your headstands up stretch on the reformer. Absolutely a great way to get ready for that is to do the double straight leg stretch or double straight leg pull. So typically you come into it from your single straight leg pull and you place your hands behind your head, you pull your center in, you'll lower your legs and you'll lift your legs. Now what tends to happen is we counterbalance this, we lower and we lift. It's not like that. That would be like at the gym. So push your head into your hands, pull your low ribs in, and by the way, if I flip myself over on the reformer, I'd be an elephant, right? It's the same exercise. I could even be in tendon stretch if I were like flipping myself over. So this is an exercise we've seen. I can put my hands here and I would be in, stomach massage series. So this shape is a shape your body is going to do over and over and over again. So when you lower the legs, it's actually like you're pushing your legs down from your seat. You pull your center in and you come up. And I'm always trying to get my upper back to go up and over, and my lower back is stretching out through my toes. And you do like 3 to 5, and you can really play with the rhythm. You can lower all the way down, lift halfway up, lower all the way down, lift all the way up, however you want to torture yourself. But the point is to not take a rest in your head and let your chest move. If your chest is doing anything, it's getting deeper and deeper into that shape, really stretching your upper back. If you're feeling this in your hip flexors, it's just a sign that your booty isn't on. So give your booty a chance to lower and lift those legs. And then go do your up stretch and see how you can take what you learned on this and how that changes your up stretch on the reformer. It's so good. Also, if you struggle with the roll up on the mat and your legs lift off the mat, doing this exercise and then using that same seat-stomach connection will help you keep your legs on the mat if you don't have a strap. Just saying, you can use it to help that roll up of yours. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment below. I'm Lesley Logan. I'll see you next time.